Whatever the cases we think that this is happening, but it happens with the confidence of master. It's not spontaneous వచ్చింది అనుకో, ఆయన కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ తోనే వస్తుంది. దాన్ని ఎంతో మంది అడిగి నువ్వు చెప్పాడు నాకేం రాదనే మాటలు రాదు అని చెప్పాను. రాత్రి ఎందుకో నాకు అనిపించింది చెప్పాడు మనిషి అవుతూ. ఇఫ్ ఐ షేర్ మై ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ విత్ హిమ్, ఐ మే గెయిన్ సమ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, ఐ మే గెయిన్ సంథింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ హిమ్. I may be spreading message of my master. If 0.00001%, if it goes to the minds of the people, I'm sure.
Very nice. No, please, Uncle, I know this is kind of a short notice.
No, I don't know anything. Whatever I chat with you about master, not in shape of speech. Not in shape of experience.
In short, in simple terms, please tell us how you came across towards Guruji.
Sure.
And what is that point that turned you around completely in life? And you started to follow him. We'll stop at that and then we'll continue the other side of it. Okay? Please.
Sir, you ask a very good question, which can be honestly before my master to you. I came from middle class family, from agriculture family. I was not intelligent student in college. Just due to Dadagiri, I should make a copy and pass through my BCom. Very frankly, I'm telling. After passing the BCom, I wanted to become a police officer. Why? Because near to my village there was a police station. When I was small child, I used to stay in Mahbubnagar, very backward area. A constable comes and stop any vehicle, they used to stop. I thought that was a big post. So, I asked one of the police officers, to become a police officer, what are the requirements? They said simply graduation. Then I could able to complete the graduation and apply for the sub-inspector post. So, there was a delay of 1 year recruitment. I joined in LLB. Fortunately, out of 30 posts in Telangana, I was 16th person. But there were only 14% selected. I was second in the waiting list. Then somebody told me, if you go to Yadagiri and pray God, you may get the selection. Then I went immediately to Yadagiri and prayed God that I should become a sub-inspector. So fortunately, they increased some more posts and become a sub-inspector. I went to Anantapur training. After completion of training, I was asked to go for practical training at Warangal. That was turning point for why they asked me to go to Warangal. Later I came to know that master is working in Warangal.
What year was that now? What year was that?
It was in 1966.
Guruji was already there at that time.
Guruji was working as a DIG office manager. Then at the time of reporting for duty, is a protocol that I have to go to the officers and salute to them, introduce ourselves for the post I was elected, and take their advice and instructions. So I met SP, other things. Last I came to Guruji. Sir, I am Gopal Reddy. How are you? Fine, sir. Then I completed my training in Anantapur. I was posted in Warangal, 1969-70. 70 I was posted that everybody used to come to Guruji and touch his feet, even officers, and taking his blessings. I thought that he is a small man, not even 5 feet. How he is getting so much of respect from others? Amma, namaste. Very fine. మీరు బ్రాహ్మణుడు
అని ఏముంది గురుగారు లెక్కలో ఎప్పుడు
Yes, sir. I will come because you are I thought myself, you are very influential person. If I get good impression with you, I will be getting good jobs, good postings, I will gain more money. I think I went to the Guruji's place, which is my Anakonda. Evening time I went. Amagaru was there. Amagaru, Tatagaru, Shaman. Amagaru and I, who is this boy? I was just 23 years. Who is this boy? Is Manawade. Manawade అంటే నాకెందుకు తోడుగా ఫీల్ అయినా అప్పటి నుంచి every day I used to come to Guruji after completion of my rounds in traffic. I used to come to Guruji, ask him to sit in my vehicle, take him to his office. I used to tell the official driver to go away. I used to take him. Sometimes I used to take B, have a palm, and ask him to sit. He never objected to anything. Why I am telling, after a few months, my wife went and met with him and complained against me that he is thinking more and others. Then next day, I asked, Gopalji, are there any more dinners for you? Are you attending more parties? Then I realized the matter has gone to the worst. I kept quiet. I used to take care of myself. I was sub-inspector. He used to tell number of hours I used to sit opposite to him in the afternoon offices. Sir, why people are coming to you? So many people are taking blessings. They think that I am a person who can give blessings, but I don't give anything. That is their impression. I should also follow them. When other people are following, I should also follow them. Then I was having two daughters at that time. January 25th, 2071, I got last daughter, but then I went to the master in a ferocious manner. Sir, why I got third daughter? What I committed a mistake? Why did not you give me son? Then, see, a person who performs Kanya Dana for 3 daughters, he will be Yoga Pushu daughter. అని కృష్ణమూర్తి అని మీ పేరు నాన్న పేరు చెప్తాను. ఆయన కూడా 3 daughters. యుగ పురుషుడు నువ్వు చాలా సంతోషపడాలి వాళ్ళు. No sir, I'm not happy. I used to fight with him.
Please don't listen to that now.
Then afterwards there was a complaint against Jimmy Bhaskar, former SP. He was working with us. Then government decided to shift all the police officers working in Warangal to the other places. He was my DH office manager. I was also one of the victims. Then first Guruji asked me, come to my office. Then I went to his office. See, there is an order from government to shift all the police officers in Warangal. I will give you preference where you want to go first. Either Karimnagar, Khammam, Adilabad, Nalgonda, other than Warangal. And, sir, why I should go? What I come to a mistake? It's not your mistake, it's a government decision. Then, నాకేం చేయలేదు సార్, మీరేం చెప్పేసి అక్కడ పోతున్నాను. I don't know what is good for me. That's your decision, you take it. Then you go to Nalgonda. మా నల్గొండ పోతే నేను ఎటదు మేము అంత దూరం నుంచి. Then you work in Borneo town where I will pick up Hyderabad. You can see me. And I went to the Borneo town and joined there.
I need to ask you a question here. Guruji, in his official position, did he wear uniforms at that time?
No. He was working as a minister's staff. He will not have a uniform, but he will control over the force.
And no guns?
No.
revolvers and things.
We used to work with him. Always we were having.
You were. Look, I just
Yes,
wanted
yes, he is a minister staff looking after the administration.
Yeah.
So I was in Bonville whenever Govindji used to go and used to tell me I used to go to the place, common point and meet him. Sometimes I used to make him to prepare the food, breakfast, he used to make. So one day he called me from Warangal. I want to come around with you, some devotees to go. Yadi Devata, can you make arrangements? Oh, what is this, sir? I am a sub-inspector. I can do everything, whatever you want. Then they asked me to arrange some rooms and also transportation. I arranged. That was the turning point for me. He said, Upadhyay, you have done wonder on it. He said, not a wonder, sir, it is my job. And then I was transferred to he told me one day, now your children are coming up to the school level. I want to see that you should go to Hyderabad. Why I am telling, he is also concerned about my family. At that point I am telling, what should I do? He said, go to Hyderabad and join your children. Yes, sir. So after 1 month I got to Hyderabad transfer. I was sub-inspector and deputation myself. Then I took some house. Sir, what about my children education? When I told you to go to Hyderabad, it is my duty to see that they should be settled. Then I approached one of the SP. He made me get admission in center for one daughter. So there's that. Second year, second daughter got. Third year, she also got in. Then I was getting 800 rupees. Out of the 300 rupees I was paying outside. One day I caught him. When he came to Hyderabad, sir, I am suffering. What is the problem? I am not having quarter. I am paying 30% of my salary to pay that amount or rent. See, I may get quarter within 2 years. But if you get a quarter, you are not going to construct a house. Unless you construct a house at this stage, there will not be any problem for the settlement of your children. Then what should I do? You purchase a plot. I will come and see the plot. Then I waited 2-3 places I saw. He came and selected the place. See how? Because he is concerned about settlement of the life. He is also concerned about settlement of life of an individual who is devoted or Krishna of Master. He is not bothered whether you are doing prayer or not. He is more concerned is be happy. When you are happy, everything you get is blessed.
From your perspective, what I feel at this point is, you saw him giving blessings to people, they were coming and touching him. But just looking at that part, I think you followed him sincerely. And there was no other magic that took place that converted you into...
One day I thought, sir, what is to be followed by me by seeing you? Then he said, you see how I am building this, how I am talking to the people, how I am concerned about the people's problems. These are the things one has to follow in his life. When I thought he is not an ordinary man. He is a separate person who can be made more close to him. Then I used to go and meet him always. One day, Dasara time, he asked me to come to Warangal for prasadam. That's what he was doing. Then I went out with my wife. We used to go by train. Yes, there will be 20 to 35 Brahman families out there. I was the only one person who is not a general. Then, after the puja Inaka Gopal Reddy, be lunch, you have a lunch and go, then only you go on. I saw the people, so 35, 30 members are there. If I sit here again, I have a lunch, there is a problem for master. చెప్పకుండా వచ్చేసాను.
వచ్చేసాడు.
హైదరాబాద్ వచ్చేసాను. వచ్చేసిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ డే నేను ఫోన్ చేసి who asked you to go without taking prasadam? Seriously. Sorry, sir. See, when I want to give prasadam, why should be in a position to receive it? It's not my duty, it is your duty to receive the prasadam. Champal వేసుకున్న తప్పు అవుతావా నేను చేశాను. But the committed mistake is I waited for three months for waiting for promotion. See, what I understood with that, if he wants to give a prasadam, why should be in a position to receive that? It is my duty to receive it. That at that time I came to know wherever he wants to say anything, I should follow it. Scrupulously without thinking about why he is saying it.
Accept it and just.
So after 6 months again he came and gave prasadam, I got promotion. Then I said, where should I go? He should go to Nalgonda. Yes, I went to Nalgonda. Nalgonda town, I was sub inspector. Sir, I am not getting any money here. I am not happy, sir. Where do you want to go? I want to go to Mediargoda, where I get more money. So I want to say, yes, within 1 month you will get the posting. He said on phone, 7215, I remember, phone number.
7215.
DH office. Then within 1 month you will go to Mediargoda, he said. Then I was happy. Yes, master has given me word. I will do it. After 1 month, you believe me, by saying on my master, I am telling, one Mr. Chennai has been posted to Mediargoda. He came to my place, asked me to give a jeep to send him to bus stand. Then I bus పంపించి పంపించాను బస్ స్టాండ్. Then I spoke to Guruji. Sir, నీవు చెప్పావు Mediargoda, somebody has been posted. What happened to me? You told me. I used to wait like that. Then still he wait something, wait for some time. When he went to the Mediargoda, he received a message, Chennai posting has been cancelled, Gopal Reddy has been posted. I thought he is a man of something. Whatever he says, it will happen. So I should catch him without leaving his father. When I spoke to Guruji, sir, we చెప్పింది కరెక్ట్ అయింది, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ అంటే ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. ఏం చెప్పదు, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. ఆఫ్టర్ 1 year, there was a differences between me and GSP. I went and crying to him that I should be removed from there. Then he told me, you asked that. I don't know. Whatever I ask, are you going to give me? That's your responsibility. You are asking repeatedly asking to go to Mediargoda, I gave. That's not my mistake, it's your mistake. Before asking, you should realize. He said, తప్పైంది సార్ అని చెప్పేసుకొని touch me is free. From today onwards, I am not going to ask anything. That's your responsibility. Whatever is better for me, you are going to give me. I touched his face and took a vote. Now I will take action. Whatever I want, whatever is better for you, I will take. You go to anti-corruption bureau. I will see that you will be coaching in Hyderabad. Then I went to, and whenever he said just word, my orders used to be like that. Nature used to obey the orders. So, while working in Mediargoda, a very incident I tell you, there was a big dacoity.
Oh, dacoit, okay.
I used to take a challenge in the job. So, when village people have come and surrendered me to leave their place, It's my responsibility, sir, to get the detection of the case. Give me some prasadam, vibhuti, to go to the Suvarpuram and raid the premises and get the actual cartridge. It's a good job you are asking. I will give you prasadam, vibhuti. Vibhuti ఇచ్చేవాడు ఎక్కడ పోయినా నాకు. అది పర్సులు పెట్టుకొని I went along with 20 members to Suvarpuram. That was in November 78. Next day, I want to go and round up his hut to grab him and take him to Meter, going to Meter. So, evening and tomorrow morning, I should get a good result, sir, to get that person. All right. Evening, I received a phone. Gopal, don't wait. I was in guest house. Don't stay there. Come along with your spouse to Hyderabad, Hyderabad. Sir, how can I go without having your premises? No, I'm telling you, it's better for you. Come back. Yes, so it may be good for me. I went back. Next day morning, the person whom I wanted to take him, he was washed away and died. Suppose if I could have brought him to my police station, keep him in the lockup, he could have died. I could have been in a suit. So with that I learned myself, whatever is good for me, he will do it. Number of times, wherever I get any problem, I used to remember, Guruji, I want to get rid of this problem. I don't know what you are going to do. In murder cases also, I achieved results without making any efforts, which is great.
It just make you feel guilty without doing anything. The case got.
I used to make my efforts. When the efforts are not fulfilled, then I used to pray God. I should make my efforts. When efforts are not enough for me to get the result, master is. Before doing anything, I used to pray my master, this is not my job. It is somebody is going to get benefit. If it's good for me, you show me the way.
So far you have said everything about your job, your needs, where you want to go, who you want to get, all these things. But tell me a little bit about your spiritual side of it, how Guruji groomed you to come to that stage.
1978, I came to Hyderabad city. So Guruji was working in Warangal. Amagaru family members are there in Hyderabad. I used to go every alternative to see the Amagaru and other things. So when I was seeing my friends Brahmins, they used to come and sit with Guruji, hours together, listening what Guruji said. I never used to understand single word. Honestly, even now also I can't understand.
But you were treated to
So I used to see Master and feel myself happy. I'm close to Master. That's a wrong concept. Then one day I went to Guruji, morning తీర్థం తీసుకున్న తర్వాత నాలుగుంట్లో ఉంది గురువు గారు. సార్ ఇంతమందికి మీరు బోధ చేశారు, నాకు చిన్న మంచం ఇవ్వండి, నీకంతా ఇంకా టైం ఉంది కదా, నీకు లైఫ్ ఎంజాయ్ చేసేది అన్నాను. మాకు దెబ్బ కూర్చోడా అదే మంచిగా నా వైపు చెప్పాను, చాలా గురువు గారు అంటే మరి నువ్వు తాగుతావు కదా, నాలుగు విషయాలు వింటావు కదా, అవును చింత మా చింత ఇవన్నీ వస్తే చెప్తావు, ముందు బంద్ చేసుకోవాలి. Then I stopped and took a walk. After 6 months, I went. I give you months injection. Upon that, I touched his face. I took a vote that my services should be useful for society. Number one. Number two, I should groom myself under your guidance to come up in my life as per your expectation. Number 4, always you should take care of me. I am a man of character, always. So, today onwards, you have to take care of me. I will be honest. And you show me the way and suggestion. You took a vote. I will see that you will have everything in the department. Whatever you want, you will get in the department. I will see that you will grow up slowly, spiritually, provided you should be in discipline way. He told, okay, sir. Upon he used to give me what to go to yatras. He used to tell me, see, performing a yatra, not to see the God. Have a faith of God, visit. Then you will have a result. Going and seeing, having a darshan is not a. How I should do, sir? So make it a practice. It will not come in one day. Have a faith. Then we return. He used to tell me, we are going to yatra. What should I do, sir? He used to give me this. What are the things to be done? I used to make out, attend everything, give a complaint. For here,
This including the
trained
reservation.
see, if I do apply in my mind arrangements, they used to be utterly failure. If I do what master says, 100% success. After two, 3 yatras, I came to know. So since then, I never used to apply my mind. Sir, these are the things. What shall I do? Either this or that. He used to give me instructions. Every time, he used to tell me, you have to get punyam, you have to get punyam. Sir, why should I? Then I realized I might have committed so many mistakes. To wash away that. Unless I wash away, he will not give greatness. He will not give varam without making you effort. So he used to make me, ఇంతమంది నువ్వు చేసాను యాత్ర తీసుకెళ్ళి నీకు ఎంత పుణ్యం రెడ్డి అని ఆ పుణ్యం ఏదో నీవు నాకు పుణ్యం ఇస్తే చాలని అలా నాకు I could able to complete my 9 yatras. 109 yatras, which is greatness. In none of the yatras become any problem. One day I tell you, we went to Kashi. While going, we were having a reservation. While coming in Kashi at 5 a.m., 3 a.m. we got down. Waiting for 45 members, we were there. Essentially, there is no checking. We got down, then I went to Master. Aya, చచ్చిపోతుంది ఇక్కడ ఈ సైడ్కి మనకు ప్రాక్టీస్ లేదు కచ్చే కాలు వస్తాం నాకేమన్నా ఏం చేస్తావో తెలియదు నాకు 45 మెంబర్స్కు నాకు అకామిడేషన్ కావాలి చదవుతాను అయితే యూ వెయిట్ వర్క్ యూ వెయిట్ హియర్ platform. Whichever train body comes, you will get on.
Get on.
Then I waited. Lugar చెప్తుంగా నాకేం it's not my effort, it's easy for. Why should I bother? Then I waited there. Made TTC, I put him 300 rupees in his pocket. I asked him, 46 bucks a vacation. 4 a.m. sir. We think inside and very happy went. So whatever he says in a writing code, it is my devotees are suffering, he will not keep code. First when I went along with Guruji to Shipra Nadi, 1978. Which Shipra?
Shipra.
Okay. Thakur was there. There were 8 members, reservation chairman and Jason. Madhav was there. father of Chacha, he devotee. He told us that I am not going to come, there is a meeting. Then I told to Guruji in Warangal, phone చేసేద్దాం గురుగారు ఆయన రావాలంట మాధవం రాకపోతే గోపాల్ రెడ్డి వస్తావు అది ఎక్కడ అనుమతి మంచి పోయాను పోయినాక చిప్పుడాకు పోయినా భూపాల్ దిగి ఆ నుంచి ట్రైన్లో పోయి వచ్చేసి మళ్ళీ అగైన్ వీకెండ్ టు భూపాల్ రైల్వే స్టేషన్ నో రిజర్వేషన్స్ సార్ అప్పుడు శ్రీనివాసరావు రాఘవేంద్ర శ్రీనివాస్ అందరూ సార్ వాట్ ఈస్ హౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ థింక్ అబౌట్ దట్ ఐ విల్ స్టాండ్ హియర్ whichever block train comes, I will speak. ఆయన అన్నాడు కరెక్ట్ ఏసీ ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ వచ్చిందాక మా దగ్గర డబ్బులు అందరి దగ్గర డబ్బులు వస్తూ చేసేసి వానికి డబ్బులు ఇచ్చేసి వీకేమిచ్చు వరంగల్
Earlier you mentioned something that caught my attention. You said that for the reservation for those 46 people, you stopped the pocket on somebody with 300 people. Did Guruji say anything about it?
No, he encourages.
Oh, he encourages to
Because
reward them.
Reward them.
Okay.
He encourages. And he used to be very liberal. He never used to take anything, but paying he was very liberal. I think you know very well.
Yeah.
So many things.
When you went to these yatras, it's not easy, especially when you go with 100 people, 150 people, plus Guruji. Everybody wants Guruji's attention. How did you manage the discipline aspect of the yatra?
See, it's a very good question in this. Somebody used to ask, why you are standing on backside when you are others are cheating? Then I told to my friends, you may see 100 times master. If master sees once, you're going to master. Why you are bothered about whether you are cheating there or not?
Excellent.
One vibhuti potam is sufficient to save your life. One vibhuti potam will take you to the heaven. One vibhuti potam will give you moksham. Not every day. If every day master gives, is it master is so weak? Once he make up his mind, one person comes to you to see master, he will see first what type of person he is. He will change the blueprint of your future. That's all. Action will be follows. He will not see every day, he will not bless you. Once in a life. It's okay. Not any feel of such order. Everybody are sitting here. You are heard so many hours. How much you are practicing?
Teachings and practices.
One day he was అమ్మగారు చనిపోయినప్పుడు గురుగారు మాత్రం చనిపోయినప్పుడు అంతా పోయాం క్రిమేషన్ వరంగల్ అంతా అయిపోయినాక I met Guruji. So everyone was saying something. Myself and Pramod, not knowing anything. What should he said, your Guru is a Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Guru. ఏంటి మేడం నీకేంటి శివుడు అన్నాడు అదే ఎంతకంటే ఇంకేం ప్రేయర్ కావాలి సార్ ఇంకోటి ఐదు I was inspector anti-corruption bureau, very important family. So, December 2015, I was asked to go to Adilabad, to catch one person. 4 persons, RDO, Inspector of Police, MRO, and RPF. 4 members used to be caught one day, one time. ACDK, while shaking breath. That was planned for us. I thought that I can come little before 18th November because I can have a program of master class for this. We waited 4 days. There was no correct time to meet everybody in one day and catch in one time. It was on 21st morning. It was fixed. I was very unhappy. I'm not going to go in this birthday. There was an instruction I used. Everybody was caught except my case. 1 year. The same, except for the inspector. He did not accept. All the 3 cases successful. My case was unrejected. He did not accept. Accepted the money. There was no case. Then I came very ferociously next day and Himayat Nagar to Gurgaon. I came and I was very upset mode. What happened? What happened? That my case was not detected. Every case was detected. How dare you can caught my devotee? What sir? What sir? Well, while I was working in Karimnagar, I blessed him. How can you catch? Naken there, sir. Once I bless, which we will obey. He will not allow to accept that amount by him to catch by you. Okay, my prayer, when I gave the wording and blessing, how can you deny? Sorry, sir. Okay, check that. I am having Dharmachakra with me since long. Even Indra Pratyakshavaina, Anta Manchi river. Evati varu ani చూస్తున్నాను నీకు ఇస్తున్నాను కరుణ నీళ్ళు వచ్చేసి What it will do, sir? It will not allow you to commit mistakes. It will not allow if anybody try to do harm. It will make you on the way to go to the moksha. ఇంతకన్నా హిందూ ప్రత్యక్షమైన ఇవ్వరు నీకు ఇస్తున్నాను ఇంతకన్నా ఇంకేమవుతావు unbiased. What I can ask for me, if he gives that,
you are really blessed. You are really blessed.
Now, sir, today onwards my responsibility has become double, sir.
Did you ever ask him? Did you ever ask him, what did I deserve your blessings and your grace of shower all the time that you're doing?
See, he showers on everybody equally, sir, depending upon your deeds.
Depending on your deeds.
Only I should be in a position to receive.
Please, that's natural. He makes you cry, he makes you laugh. No.
ఇంకోటి చెప్తున్నాండి ఆయన ఆన్సర్ బాగా చేశారంటే మేము కూడా ఆయన ఏం ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఫాలో అవుతాడు మీకు ఉండాలి ఈ టైంకి రావాలంటే అందరం చెప్తాం ఆ టైం అందరికి భయం పెట్టింది ఫస్ట్ నీకు వాళ్ళ మాట్లాడుకోవచ్చు చెప్తారు కాదు చెప్పని వెళ్ళిపోవాలి మాకు అందరికీ క్లాస్ ఇచ్చారు ఒక బెస్ట్ ఇస్తారు ఏం చేసేవారు ఏంటి మాట ఇవ్వాలి ముందు అందరికి ఇచ్చేస్తారు అందరూ అయిపోయాక వస్తాము గురుగా పక్కన కూర్చోండి అనుకుంటే భయం ఉంటాయి బస్సు ఎక్కామంటే మా అంకుల్ చెప్పలేదు ఆయన టైం చెప్తాం 7 o'clock బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ 12 o'clock ఇంటికి డిన్నర్ టైంకి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి ఇక్కడ అయిపోవాలి అంతే పొద్దున్న చెప్పావు బస్సు 5కి వస్తుంది మీరు 445% ఉండేవారు. ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ ఆయన చెప్పారు, అందరూ ఒబే చేసేవారు. అసలు ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ అందరూ ఫాలో అయ్యేవారు.
myself, Poonam Chandra, Dr. Vishwanatham, Guru Garu, Poonam Chandra wife, were going to Seychelles by car in a summer, peak summer. We started by 2 p.m. In a peak summer we were going. When we reached the steam of the hill, suddenly our vehicle had broken down. The functioning of coolness was returned. So there was no, by the time it was sunset. Sir, what we should do is a peak of Parish, what should we do? Alright, we have to do something to save all of you. Right? The dashboard is the hotel.
Then we go to
Dashboard.
dashboard.
Yeah, coach. Start in. Later we went to Seychelles, have a Dhruvi Darshan. Then we kept a reservation to Guruji in Brahmarambika guest house. We were going to Brahmaramba guest house from temple. It was about 10 p.m. Suddenly a person has come from inside lower road. శివ మదన్న అని మనుషులు వాళ్ళు కూర్చు వస్తున్నాం. సరే గురుగారు గోపాలరెడ్డి బండి ఆపు అన్నారు. బండి ఆపి విషయాలు మదన్న ఇంకా తిరుగుతూ ఉంటారు రాత్రిపూట. గివ్ సమ్ ఫ్రూట్స్. విత్ సెకండ్ he was disappeared. అప్పుడు అన్నది ఎవరు సార్ వినాలి. శ్రీశైలం మదన్న ఒకరు అట్లా కనిపిస్తుంటాడు అందరూ. And we took the vehicle to the Brahmarama guest house, stopped without starting. Unless a person went to Katnoor and got the parts and repairs. Madana Darshan is something అలాగే when we were going to Badri, మీరు వెళ్ళరామ బద్రీ చెల్ల ఫోటో వేసుకోండి. జుబ్బా పంచే ఎట్లా పెద్ద హైట్ 6.5 feet గార్డం. We were going in a hill. A person was coming. Guru అటు ఇటు చూసి మధ్య బండి వాళ్ళు చూసి ఆయనకు ఇది పరమగురు తీసుకొని పరమగురు.
When you describe him, what he looks like?
He looks like a 6.5 feet height. It's a Gardam. Bhaktiga Leela ఉంటుంది. Kolamok. I went and gave the fruits.
Guruji recognized him.
He has given darshan to everybody with the blessings of Master. అది ఇంతకన్నా ఏం కావాలి సార్? లైక్ happiest man in the earth. Though I am not having money will be given by him. Why should I bother? Sir, I was in a 2-bedroom, not even 2-bedroom, 1 bedroom. It becomes a puja room, storeroom, bedroom, and one small kitchen. I was living in that condition by giving ground floor to the rent. One day, Amagaru came along with Guruji. చూసి మా వైఫ్ అడిగింది, ఏమ్మా ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, మీ బెడ్రూమ్ ఎక్కడ, మీ స్టోర్ అన్నీ ఇవేనండి గురుగారు అని చూపించి. She felt bad. Then she told to Guruji, how he is living up, how you are allowing him to continue there. Then Guruji one day he called me, Father, you sufficient you suffer. I want to give you time. 5th September 1982, muhurtam has been fixed for construction of a school. Sir, I am not having money. No, that's not your job. ముహూర్తం పెట్టమని బాధ్యత. And he has given me 10,000 rupees, arranging some chocos. So he will also look after the welfare of the families like that by fixing the gate. He will not ask only to look after the spiritual things. He will also bother about the welfare of the devotees. He is very much concerned about that. Unless you are happy and happy life along with your family and children, you cannot concentrate on the spiritual things. We are not the so big philosophers or philanthropists. We are human beings. I asked Guruji, sir, I am retiring on 31st March. What are the instructions? Should I come to Bhimre and say, no, don't stay there. Okay, why you got me plot gifted to me when you are asking? I gave this to you. Okay. Then, after 3 days, I went to the office. He said that Viji asked me to look after the Bhadrata welfare for police. AJ Dora, former DGP, asked me to look after the security officer of the airport. And Vande, the former DGP, asked me to look after the piracy of the Trove state. Then I went to Guruji. Sir, they are offered like that. Should I do the job or not? He said, are you so rich? Why, sir? He said, unless you have some income, how can you live with your children? What should I do? Then he said, see, money you may give more in international post. Piracy you may get more. I want to see that you should work in department, do something to the department to acquire punyam. So I may go and join in the department in police department, otherwise. Then I went in there. Even before his death, 2 days before his death, I went to see Guruji. Gopal Reddy, how is it functioning? He said, I am yet to see a substitute for you, he said. So this is 21st year after my retirement, performing my duty. Whenever any patient comes, I will see his photo, particular photo. Sir, I am giving you 10 lakhs for his treatment. I can give only 10 lakhs. You have to save if it is good for it's automatic. Even to save the 25 lakhs I give for kidney liver transplantation, heart transplantation. My budget is 25 crores every month for it, 40 crores for the social security for members. I have to spend every month. Every day I get so many blessings and even blessings and also untoward. Because some people may not get justice. So they may blame me. Whatever I get blessings, I will leave it to you. Whatever they give bangings, I will give it to you. Why should I bother?
See, Guruji came here to re-establish Sanatana Dharma. And the way I feel at this point, the things that you described, he found the right man in the correction department and he moved you around so that Dharma can be established every place. And he put his trust in you that you will follow him. And he had no doubts. And he made the right corrections whenever that was necessary. And that gave you the trust in him. And you continue to follow him.
See, here I want to tell you, the way in which I got in police department, I think it was previous, but he has given me the blessing.
Tell us a little bit about
Yes.
previous work.
See, I don't know about my previous work. He told me, in Yuga Dharma, Treta Yugamlo, any problem comes, they used to pray God. God used to appear, do the needful, and disappear. Dwapara gets to Muni Duru blessings to Ayurveda. Adiyugamla Dharma, Nirvana. A Lord has given weapon to the police department to punish. And if any person is having a problem, he will approach the police. If police will do timely action and help him, they will see God in them. That weapon was, you are representative of God. So you should be very careful in performing duties in them. That is the reason I joined in the department as a clerk, master chef. As a clerk, to prove myself, being a Jamindar, I was so happy. Being a clerk, I was very happy. And living in the society as an example to the people. He said, I open for you. I have seen the depth of wealth. He said, depth of wealth I have seen. When I came to the office for interview, I was having shoes worth of 300 rupees in those days. I was wearing the shoes, watch, everything. By seeing my dress, they said, why you are going to join me as a clerk? They asked me. Then next day I went in a simple way, purchased a simple shoes in Sultan Bazaar and went. They have selected me, he said. He wanted to prove himself in his life, being an ordinary man, to do more things to the existence society.
As Gopal Reddy, you're one individual in the department. How are you able to convey your beliefs and your trust in Guruji to the people around you in the department? Because everybody has to pitch in to be able to carry on the task. Is that also Guruji provided you that?
See, first, how you behave. Suppose if you preach, they may say, some people may say this is advertising himself and also advertising about his Guruji. Instead of speaking to them, make yourself silent and perform your duty. By keeping master in your mind, there is a result. Is Gopal Devji is like that? What about Guruji? Is Guruji? They may think he does.
Thank you.
You got our
I'm also interested to know a little more about the project that you initiated for the police department, the healthcare aspect of it. How Guruji guided you, how he asked you to carry on that task. Please talk to us.
Sir, if any patient comes, every day I get about 20 to 25 calls, even midnight. Sometimes my wife is disturbed with sleep. But I expect, I invite their calls in the dead in the night to see that I should be responsible to get rid of their problems. When Guruji asked me to look after, he will also show me the way. Immediately I will receive the call, speak to the hospital, concerned hospital, provide necessary action and do them, and communicate to the members. Then on the midnight also I will communicate to members, convey thanks to my master, you have given me this opportunity to do service to the people.
In your police department, I'm sure there were 30,000 employees.
No, 89,000 employees and a wife, 3 children, dependent with 4.5 lakhs people I have to look after.
And you gave your personal number so they can...
Everybody are having a personal number. 100 calls I receive every day. I have to answer to the those people patiently without losing my job. I have to, because I am sitting there, he made me to sit here and do the job. If I ball out on them, I will be making the injustice to my job given by my master. I feel very happy. పాపం వాళ్ళకి ఎవరు ఉంటారు రాత్రిపూట ఫోను ఎంత ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే రాత్రిపూట నా బాధను అడ్మిట్ చేసుకుంటారు నా కొడుకు బాధకు ఆరోగ్యం బాగాలేదు ఎవ్రీడే ఐ కమ్ టు మై ఆఫీస్ వై డూయింగ్ పే చూసి హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్ ఆర్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ మేడ్ బై మీ హౌ మెనీ పర్సనల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఐ హావ్ డన్ ఇట్ ఐ విల్ క్యాల్కులేట్ ఎవ్రీ డే ఇఫ్ ఐ did not do anything, I will curse my master. You are not giving me opportunity to do more service to the people.
Do you ever get mad on him?
That when I will not get results, sometimes I feel. And again, I think that it's not good for me. That is the reason he did not give me the result. I will communicate to him, sir. Every day, every moment, I will communicate to him. See, when he was transferring from shifting the Guruji after resigning, I went and took these papers, patient payments papers, submitted, and I left it. Sir, we are becoming orphans. Why? You are going to Kakinada. Why should? You have to come to that wavelength and discuss with me. What should I do for wavelength? You should always think, I have a master in you. Whatever you say, I will get that communication. So he pervaded everywhere, that indication.
At this time, Master is invisible.
Yes.
He doesn't have a form.
Yes.
But yet he communicates.
Yes.
And,
He hears and he hears. No question of not hearing. He has to supposed to hear. I am a devotee, he is my master. So he is responsible.
how are the people supposed to reach out to him, cry for him, or what would be the process that
Surrender.
in what ways?
In all ways. First, to make your mind surrender to master. Second, your act. Third, your belief. These three things are very best.
And there is nothing other than
Nothing.
these are the four things that
Okay.
one must
Yes.
see.
Yes. You practice.
These are the questions that come from some of the viewers.
Yes.
So we need to write the information for them, because not just giving information that becomes useless.
See, you have a surrender. Surrender is more important. And everybody has surrender. You are now also before touching this thing. I may be allowed to surrender totally, I told him. Not partly. Totally. Party is different, surrender is different, totally different. When you surrender to him, you are not having liberty. It's a party. Whenever you have a problem, you surrender yourself to Master. That's not a surrender. Sorry, I spoke in a very emotional way.
No.
I may be committed a mistake.
But now,
నిజంగా అందరూ
So many people also have inspiration. How do I know it is Guru speaking to me? Because the mind is attached to the plant. The mind is, when something you hear without even talking, the mind says, are you sure you want to do this? The question comes up. So how could they follow that one? Which guidance can they follow? The mind or
Mind says so many things. Whichever is good for you, they think that Manasu. Manasu control their score. Manas control their score, the mind control of. Manas control their score. Manas epu control the concentration control of.
అనుకున్నది అలా సింపుల్ గా ఉండదు ఆనందంగా ఉండండి అది ఫ్రెండ్స్ అంతా ఆంటీకి ఎందుకంటే ఆంటీ నేను ఇప్పటికీ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 40 years నుంచి చూసుకోను. అలాగే నేను చేయలేదు. ఆవిడ ఎప్పుడూ ఏది ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు, ఎప్పుడూ ఏది సింపుల్ ఏది కావాలని కానీ ఆవిడ ఒకే తప్పకుండా అలాగే చెప్పింది. ఎప్పుడు నేను పేరప్పటి నుంచి అలాగే తీసుకున్నాను. అందులో అంటే ఒక్కరు క్రెడిట్ అంటే
what he says is authentic. Being a police officer's wife, she expects so many things. Every police officer's wife expects several things. She never asked me even sorry, the ornament, anything. Once Guruji told me, you are very lucky man. Yes, sir, మీరు నాకు దొరికినందుకు కారణం. No, you are having good wife, Anna. యశోద ఆమె కోపడ్డా నెక్స్ట్ మూమెంట్ when I remember my master, sorry అని చెప్పేస్తాను. Keeping happy, we will get more mental peace.
తర్వాత మనకి ఎప్పుడు హ్యాపీ ఏంటంటే అవసరం వాళ్ళు హ్యాపీగా ఉంటారు. అది మోర్ ప్లెజెంట్. అవసరం వాళ్ళు హ్యాపీ ఉంటారు మన దగ్గర. అది ఇచ్చిన స్ట్రెస్ ఏది
ఒక్కడు చెప్పేవారు గురువు ఆల్వేస్ defeating should be with 100 people. Victory should be only one. He used to check. ఎక్కువ చెప్పేవారు.
కొంచెం
సక్సెస్ రేట్ ఒకటే ఉంటుంది, ఒకటే ఫస్ట్ వస్తాడు, అందరు ఫస్ట్ రాదు. ఆ ఫస్ట్ నీవు ఉండాలి. డిఫీటింగ్ లో 100 మంది ఉన్నా నో బాడీ బాదర్స్. You do your sincere job, leave it to the master. I used to say that, why should I bother? He has given me assignment. I have to do sincerely without any making any undue words. తర్వాత you may not give me now, you will give me tomorrow.
Uncle, I know you're very busy. Two things I know that. One is one from you and one from us.
చెప్పండి.
First one is there are about 9,000 viewers, 9,000 plus viewers of Guruji's courses that they listen to. What would you at this point, what would you want to communicate to them? How should they should come back?
See, there are, as per Master's view, there are 15 to 20,000 devotees in the entire world for him. But he says there may be devotees who will come for any problem they face, get the problem solved, and again they go back. But I keep myself in touch with 10 people in this world who are treated as my shishas. When I choose them as a shishas, 10 people, that's my responsibility to see that they are in this life. I ask them, who are they, sir? I am not supposed to say. He said, am I correct? పది మంది ఉంటారు, 10 మంది ఎక్కడ ఉంటారు. ధర్మబోధన వచ్చారు ఇక్కడ. ఆయన ధర్మబోధన వచ్చారు కనుక ఈ సో వెల్ బిహేవ్. అదే దుష్టులను సంహరించేటట్టు వచ్చి ఈ వుడ్ బి ఫెరోషియస్. ఈ came in a Dharmabodha now. Sir, what is your next birth, sir? I may take some birth, but how can our people will identify? You may not identify. Your generations will identify. Having some sloth will much on the pedal. That has been disappeared. Inclusive of the place.
అది గురించి మార్చారు.
రాజశేఖర్ పెళ్ళి పోయింది,
పోయింది అది.
పెళ్లి దాకా ఉంది.
Sir, he gave me opportunity for 70 to 75 marriages to be performed. ఇంతకన్నా మనకి ఏం కావాలి సార్? He worth of 10 crores for me. He's a bank balance. 10 crores. ఏం కావాలి సార్ ఇక?
అంటే ఇలా తీసారంటే టోటల్ చేసి యాక్చువల్గా అది సరెండర్. నేను గొప్పగా నాకు అసలు నుంచి బాగా అమ్మ చేసి అని చెప్పి.
Uncle, we are so happy and delighted.
Yes, sir.
You are here with us.
No, sir. I am like you. See, we have purchased ticket, sat in the train. Master is taking you. Only our duty is to see that we should not get down before station comes. Am I correct, sir? We are all in same boat.
Very well, sir.
ఒక పెద్ద యుద్ధ కాదు, లేదు, అందరూ వీఆర్ ఏసీ ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్.
So I won't say thank you, but I would say deepest respect to Guruji for sending you to us and your sharing of your.
I'm a very small man, sir. ఆయన చెప్పింది విన్నాం. నాకన్నా మీరు చాలా చదువుకున్న వాళ్ళు, పెద్దవాళ్ళు, అన్ని విధాలుగా మంచివాడు. If I feel everybody is better than me, I need not say anything against him. So I should make it a point to see that everybody should good for. How can I feel responsible, sir, or that? See, whoever you see my face in it. You feel like my master. When you see a master you knew, how can I go to talk in an unparliamentary language?
Thank you.
With that, you will have a good relationship with them. Always you will remember master. Always you will have a sympathy of others. Correct, sir?